KNIPEX 4-inch pliers. Okay, these are, to be exact, the 8604-100. 8604-100. These are made in Germany. They're extremely small. These are meant to be EDC. You can see that basically the way that this works is you kind of attach, you set it to where you want it, and then this really sets home, almost clamps down on whatever you're using. You can use this instead of a crescent wrench. So these are extremely small. You can see right there, they have made in Germany. And they're just like overall really nice. Really nice plier. These are extra small. And yeah, I just, ever since I've got them, I've been playing with them. I've wanted to set, this is actually my first set of KNIPEX. I plan on getting a lot. These have the smooth teeth there, or like no teeth, it's smooth, so it won't gnaw up like maybe a brass or a copper bolt. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're extremely small. You see that, how they fit in there? There you go. Now you see them.